7 Unbelievable Desserts Diabetics Can Actually Enjoy. Welcome to our video on diabetes-friendly desserts. If you or someone you love is managing diabetes, you know that dessert can often feel like a forbidden treat. But what if we told you that you can indulge your sweet tooth without compromising your health? In this video, we'll explore the importance of having delicious dessert options that cater to diabetic needs. It's essential to find satisfying alternatives that not only taste great but also help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Get ready to be surprised as we showcase a variety of mouth-watering desserts that are both diabetic-friendly and incredibly tasty. From rich chocolate treats to fruity delights, these recipes will prove that you don't have to sacrifice flavor for health. So, let's dive in and discover how you can enjoy dessert while keeping your diabetes in check. Understanding diabetes and dessert choices. Living with diabetes means being mindful of what you eat, especially when it comes to desserts. Sugar and carbohydrates can significantly impact blood sugar levels, leading to spikes that can be harmful. This is why it's crucial to choose healthier dessert alternatives that satisfy your cravings without jeopardizing your health. Mindful eating becomes essential, as it allows you to enjoy sweet treats while keeping your blood sugar in check. By opting for desserts made with natural sweeteners, whole grains, and nutritious ingredients, you can indulge without guilt. The good news is that you can still enjoy delicious desserts that cater to your dietary needs. In this video, we'll explore how to savor sweet moments while prioritizing your health, proving that dessert can be both delightful and diabetes-friendly. Dessert number 1, Avocado Chocolate Mousse. Let's kick off our list with a delightful treat, avocado chocolate mousse. This creamy dessert is made with ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a natural sweetener like stevia or erythritol, and a splash of vanilla extract. Simply blend all the ingredients until smooth, and you have a rich, velvety mousse that's ready to enjoy. One of the standout benefits of this dessert is its low sugar content, making it perfect for those managing diabetes. The healthy fats from avocados not only provide a satisfying texture but also promote heart health. This mousse is a fantastic way to satisfy your chocolate cravings without the guilt. With its delicious flavor and nutritious ingredients, avocado chocolate mousse proves that you can indulge in dessert while keeping your health in mind. Enjoy every spoonful. Dessert number 2, Chia Seed Pudding. Next up is a nutritious and versatile treat, chia seed pudding. To prepare this delightful dessert, simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk, almond, coconut, or even dairy milk, and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight until it thickens. You can enhance the flavor by adding vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or even a splash of fruit puree. One of the standout nutritional advantages of chia seed pudding is its high fiber content, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Additionally, chia seeds have a low glycemic index, making them a smart choice for those managing blood sugar levels. The best part? You can customize your pudding with a variety of toppings, such as fresh berries, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, making it a delicious and healthy dessert option. Dessert number 3, Greek Yogurt Parfait. Our third dessert option is a delicious Greek yogurt parfait. This treat is not only visually appealing but also incredibly easy to make. Start by layering creamy Greek yogurt with your favorite fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Add a sprinkle of nuts like almonds or walnuts for a satisfying crunch. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps keep you full and satisfied, while also providing beneficial probiotics that support gut health. This parfait is a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet cravings in a healthy manner. The natural sweetness of the berries combined with the creamy yogurt creates a delightful flavor experience without the added sugars found in many desserts. Enjoy this parfait as a quick snack or a light dessert, knowing you're making a nutritious choice. Dessert number 4, Almond Flour Cookies. Introducing our fourth dessert option, almond flour cookies. These delightful treats are made using almond flour, which is a fantastic alternative to regular flour. To prepare them, simply mix almond flour with eggs, a natural sweetener like honey or erythritol, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Once combined, scoop the dough onto a baking sheet and bake until golden brown. One of the unique qualities of almond flour is its lower carbohydrate content and higher protein and healthy fat levels compared to traditional flour. This makes almond flour cookies a guilt-free treat that won't spike your blood sugar. They're not only delicious but also provide a satisfying crunch and nutty flavor. Enjoy these cookies as a sweet snack or dessert, knowing you're indulging in a healthier option that aligns with your dietary needs. Dessert number 5, Coconut Macaroons. Our fifth dessert option is a delightful treat, coconut macaroons. These chewy, sweet bites are incredibly simple to make. Start by mixing unsweetened shredded coconut with egg whites and a natural sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. Once combined, scoop the mixture onto a baking sheet and bake until golden brown. One of the standout features of coconut macaroons is their low carbohydrate content, making them a great choice for those managing diabetes. The natural sweetness of the coconut provides a satisfying flavor without the need for refined sugars. These macaroons are not only delicious but also offer a chewy texture that makes them a fulfilling dessert option. Enjoy them as a sweet snack or a delightful finish to your meal, knowing you're treating yourself to a diabetic-friendly dessert that doesn't compromise on taste. Dessert number 6, Berry Sorbet. Introducing our sixth dessert option, berry sorbet. This refreshing treat is perfect for warm days and is incredibly easy to make using fresh fruits. Simply blend your choice of berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, with a splash of water and a natural sweetener like agave or stevia, if desired. Once blended, pour the mixture into a container and freeze until firm. One of the great benefits of berry sorbet is its low sugar content, especially when made with fresh, ripe fruits. Additionally, the high water content in berries makes this sorbet a hydrating option, perfect for cooling down on hot summer days. With its vibrant colors and fruity flavors, berry sorbet is not only a delicious dessert but also a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet cravings while staying refreshed. Dessert number 7, Dark Chocolate Bark. For our final dessert option, we present dark chocolate bark. This indulgent treat is not only easy to make but also incredibly satisfying. To prepare it, simply melt high-quality dark chocolate and spread it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Before it sets, sprinkle a mix of your favorite nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds, for added crunch and nutrition. Once cooled, break it into pieces for a delightful snack. Dark chocolate, when enjoyed in moderation, offers numerous health benefits, including antioxidants and heart-healthy properties. This makes dark chocolate bark a perfect way to satisfy your sweet cravings without excessive sugar. With its rich flavor and satisfying texture, this dessert proves that you can indulge while still making mindful choices for your health. Enjoy this delicious treat guilt-free. In this video, we explored 7 delicious diabetes-friendly dessert options that allow you to indulge your sweet tooth without compromising your health. We showcased avocado chocolate mousse, chia seed pudding, Greek yogurt parfait, almond flour cookies, coconut macaroons, berry sorbet, and dark chocolate bark. Each of these treats offers unique flavors and nutritional benefits, proving that you can enjoy desserts while effectively managing diabetes. Remember, it's all about making mindful choices and finding alternatives that satisfy your cravings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these tasty recipes. Together, we can make healthy eating enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.